everyone. This is Gay Esser from RegDesk. Let's take a look at our top 3 global regulatory updates. This week, our first alert is from Egypt, sharing the process for applying National Good Clinical Practice regulations. It details submission steps for interventional medical research involving human participants, including studies on new pharmaceutical or biological products, medical devices, and herbal medicines not internationally accredited. For our second alert, in Iraq, the Iraqi Ministry of Health has set a deadline of January 1st, 2025 for the registration of medical device and in vitro diagnostic medical device manufacturing sites. After this date, no imports of these devices will be approved without site registration. Our third alert comes from Canada. Combination products were classified by the Therapeutic Products Classification Committee in accordance with the Policy on Drug, Medical, Device Combination Products, October 20th, 1998, detailing the types of combination products that were classified as drugs, combination products that have been classified as devices, and combination of drugs and devices to which the policy does not apply and must comply with both the Food and Drug regulations and medical device regulation. This should be used only as a guide in determining the status of combination products. Thank you for joining us. You can stay updated with RegDesk for your most important regulatory news. This is Gay Esser with your global regulatory updates.